Getting a copyright error in Suno AI and have no idea what you did wrong? Don't panic. You might not need to delete your song, rewrite everything, or give up on the idea. In this video, I'll show you the simple way to troubleshoot Suno AI copyright issues, avoid common mistakes, and create music that's much less likely to get flagged. What causes the error? First, understand this. Suno can flag prompts or lyrics that appear to request copyrighted songs, lyrics, artist-specific styles, or protected content. For example, instead of saying, make a song exactly like famous artist, try describing the musical characteristics you want. Create an emotional pop track with warm vocals, acoustic guitar, a powerful chorus, and modern production. Same goal, much safer approach. Fix number 1, change the prompt. If your prompt is triggering the error, remove famous artist names, existing song titles, request to copy a specific song. Copyrighted lyrics, replace them with original descriptions of genre plus mood, plus instruments, plus tempo, plus vocal character, plus production style. That gives Suno enough creative direction without asking it to imitate protected material. Fix number 2, check your lyrics. If you're using lyrics, make sure you actually have the rights to them. If you copied lyrics from a popular song, changing a few words usually doesn't magically make them yours. The safest option? Write original lyrics. You can even use AI to help brainstorm a completely original theme, hook, or chorus. Fix number 3, try a clean prompt. Here's a simple prompt you can test. Create an upbeat original indie pop song about starting over. Bright guitars, punchy drums, warm vocals, catchy original chorus, energetic production, and a positive emotional feel. Notice what's missing? No artist name, no song title, no copied lyrics. Important warning. And here's the part many creators miss. A Suno generation being accepted does not automatically mean you own every element of the final track. If you're using music commercially, for YouTube, advertising, client work, or your business, check Suno's current terms and commercial use rules for your plan and situation. So, if Suno gives you a copyright error, don't fight the filter. Fix the prompt. Use original lyrics, describe musical characteristics instead of copying an artist or song, and make sure you have the necessary rights for anything you upload. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment Suno if you want a full tutorial on creating copyright-safe AI music for YouTube and business. And remember, original beats, original lyrics, original ideas. That's the smart way to create.